Of course, it'll never focus right, you know. I'm gonna put it there because, like, see if this thing slides on here back and forth, it wouldn't go all the way to the back. You see, you slid it all the way on. It wouldn't be like that anyways. The wheel would stop somewhere around there. No, the mud flap by her. Maybe as far as back as it would go. Doesn't try to mount this somehow where I can change it around if I wanted. Change it around, I could just slid it all the way to the front. But I mounted this on here before with the tacky glue. Stuff looks nice. It's like rubber cement. Holds nice until you pull on it a little bit and comes apart. Doesn't leave any marks. You notice too, I should have had, I glued that one to that side. I should have had that one on this side and this one on that side, so the damn things weren't shown to the outside. So the inside there only had the push marks. Nope, I had to screw up. Can't think about it before I build something. It's like my mind don't work anymore. Here's the dashboard for the quicker picker-upper. Made a new panel. I don't want to put on for gauges. Gauges aren't going to fit in there right anyways. Those are gauges for that. Stupid thing. Seriously. Put the forks in the front with the little tiny wheels. And no radiator. That engine's going to run with no radiator, no fluid whatsoever.